Hi Mom Pals and New Pals. Today's video is fall favorites. This is my favorite time of year for makeup, period. The first thing I want to talk about is this powder. I have had this powder sitting in my collection for months, actually. I'm decluttering my whole makeup collection, so if you would like to watch that series, I will have that playlist linked below. There's several episodes up already. Back to the powder. This is the RMS Beauty Unpowder. This is the shade 01. Thing is, it's so good, is it doesn't mattify your skin completely. And this is such a good shade for me. It looks great under your eyes and setting your foundation. And I used this the first time this way the other day, is I take a stippling brush and I will right over my moisturizer quickly. I will quickly just dust it over my entire face, and it just looks like my skin is perfected. Obviously, it's not like high coverage or anything, but it gives me an all over perfected texture, a perfected tone. It looks amazing as like your foundation. So say if you just have to go somewhere really quickly and you don't have time to do your full makeup stuff, but you want like your skin needs something. The RMS Beauty Unpowder is so good. Even though it mattifies, it looks good on dry skin, just kind of blurs. It doesn't feel dry. It doesn't. Some powder foundations or like powders that you can apply to your face end up feeling like you can feel it when you touch your face. This you don't feel. It's like it just sinks into your skin looks perfected, and you're good to go. So this has become a quick favorite because I have rediscovered my love for this foundation. It is the Merit, oh, you know what? I grabbed the wrong one, but I need both of them to show you anyway. Tex is always a favorite. He's a year-round favorite. Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick. I did a full rundown of what they've updated, how they changed their foundation. You get more for the same price. You get 1.7 times more than the original. I was just so surprised how good my skin looked because I don't like stick foundations or concealers, and I used in that video the shade Linen for my concealer because it is just a little light for me right now. Here's Linen. Just a really good fair shade if you're yellow undertoned. And then Sand is my current shade. It's a little bit darker, still really nice and yellow undertone. But this is Sand, this is Linen, and they look beautiful together. So I use this all over my face. Then I applied a Linen as concealer. When I hear about products like this, like a minimalist or like minimalism in makeup, I'm like, I'm not gonna like it. Definitely prejudged this when it first launched. I used it a few times and I was like, wow, this is great. Completely forgot about it because my job is to review and try different products. So I'm so glad I got reintroduced to this foundation because it's gorgeous. I do apply it with their foundation brush. I love it. Anyway, if you would like to see me fully apply and see how I wear this, I will link the review video. A highlighter. It's a cream highlighter. I don't like the packaging. I'm just gonna say that. The product is beautiful. The Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand Easy Highlighter, and this is the shade Spotlight. But here's why I don't like the packaging. It gets very, very messy. So it's one of those where you twist and like press up, but what sucks is once you've like pressed up the product, it keeps going, so then it gets really messy around the tip. So when you go to like turn it or whatever, it's just, I don't like the packaging. I'm gonna blend it out for you. This is really pretty underneath your, like, apply your foundation, apply your cream blush, cream bronzer, then your highlighter, and then you can go over it with powder highlighter, and it's just like gives you the glow of your life, but not like a stripy glow or a, ooh, that's a lot of makeup glow. It gives you a really healthy glow. I just don't like the packaging. It gets messy. They missed the mark on that one. I want to take a quick break and thank today's sponsor, Ana Luisa. They are an affordable and sustainable jewelry brand. All of their pieces are really cool and really beautiful, and you probably see me wearing Ana Luisa in every single video, and I always link the pieces that I wear in the description box. On all of these pieces, you can get an extra 10% off with my code MalloryBrooke10. Open the info box and click the link and use my code MalloryBrooke10 to get your extra 10% off. I feel like these pieces that I picked out are perfect for either back to school or this fall, so let's get into it. These are the Ace Huggies. I'm sure you guys have seen me wear these recently. I feel like the little pop of red in the ace card with the heart and everything really goes with a lot of different makeup pieces. And I love that these are hinged earrings, so they're easy to, you know, click in and out and you won't lose them. They don't just fall out of your ears. And they just add like a pop of fun to any outfit that you may be wearing. The next pair of earrings I want to talk about are the Ash Double. I know that I have been wearing these a lot recently. I just think that they add such a like fun twist to an outfit, and they're just like this smooth little oval hoop here, and it's also a click in and out. So again, you won't be losing your earrings. And another really cool feature, if you don't want to have this little twist detail and just have a little elongated hoop, you can take that right off and just wear these like a regular long oval hoop. The next pair of earrings are these really cute medium-sized hoops, but they have a really small detail that you may not notice from far away, but when the light hits them, there's a little extra sparkle with these crystals that are all along the hoops. This style is called the Albally, and again, they look chunky and substantial, but they are really lightweight, and you get no irritation with Ana Luisa's jewelry because they are 14 karat gold on top of sterling silver. The quality for the price, girl. The last piece I want to talk about is this really cute, dainty heart necklace. I feel like a heart necklace is really just like a traditional piece of jewelry. Tiny little small crystals in it, and it catches the light just like the Albally hoops. So I love wearing these hoops with this necklace, and I love how dainty the chain is. It also catches the light really well. I think it adds a really nice, sweet little detail to any outfit. So this is the Coeur necklace. I think that it's just such a cute little heart necklace that goes with anything, super dainty, little girly. All of Ana Luisa's pieces start at $39. Very affordable. Don't forget to check the info box and use my code MalloryBrooke10 and click the link and get shopping. These are so cute and available now on Ana Luisa's website. I have to mention this liquid liner because I have used the M Cosmetics liquid liner, the brush one. Why can't I think of the name? Anyway, for years. It was like the only liquid liner that wouldn't smudge when I would apply it over like my lash band or something. And then I couldn't find my M Cosmetics liquid liner. It was there, this was before the declutter situation. I grabbed my Rare Beauty liquid liner. It is so good. It is such a deep matte black, and it is also a brush tip. I don't know, there's something about the shape. It makes it super easy to get precise lines, and like even because I have really shaky hands, and I always have, and so even when I'm like at my shakiest or something, I can still get a really nice line. It lasts, it doesn't smudge, even in like the humidity, it doesn't get everywhere. I don't know, it's magical. It's just as magical as the Rare Beauty mascara. I still love and still use. It's in rotation. I just have so many good mascaras right now. If you're looking for a very matte black liquid liner that's easy to get precision with, you'll love this. Next is another liner. It is the Charlotte Tilbury Enhance and Brighten eyeliner. I love this. A lot of times black liners will kind of upset my eyes. It makes them feel tired or like kind of achy. It doesn't do any of that. Plus the black is very soft brown black. So good. It's what I have in my waterline today. And then this side, she has perfected the color for like opening your eyes, like for some like doe-eyed looks, or just say if you look a little tired or your eyes are kind of bloodshot or something from not sleeping. The emphasized side is like such a good peachy nude that really enhances your eyes. It doesn't make you look like you have white liner in there. And I feel like it looks good in the waterline with all eye colors. It's just a very complimentary shade of light nude peach. Let's talk about some glitter. One of my favorite beauty products out there forever, all the time. But this shade I feel like is perfect for fall. Lemonhead LA Space Paste in Groupie. It's what I have on today, and it's just like this really nice dirty pewter. I bought this, something that I never really reached for because I felt like it was too dark, and so I would use it as like eyeliner. It looks so good with smoky eye looks. If you love glitter, but you need something that's like fall appropriate glitter, it doesn't look like party time festival glitter, It's definitely Lemonhead LA's Space Pace and Groupie. And if you're not familiar with the formula, it doesn't irritate your eyes. Once it dries down, you do not feel the glitter on your eyes at all. I've talked about this lip combo before, but this is so good for fall, and I feel like as I get older, I'm getting more comfortable with wearing like bolder lips. I'm a nude lover at heart, always will be. I used to feel too made up with like a red lip for anything other than filming. I would wear fun colors for filming, but out in public would rarely do something like this. This combo is so good. The Merit, their signature lipstick, L'Avenue, is so good for fall. So here it is. The shape of the lipstick is perfect for application, and then you can get precision because it's like curved like this. Anyway, I really, really like this packaging. I think it's so pretty. I think it's like very 70s, which I love the 70s like colors and vibe and the whole thing. I just think it looks like something that would be sitting on like the nightstand of like a hip gal in the 70s. And right over that, I love applying, this is Falcon. It is such a deep, beautiful brown. It's what I have on over L'Avenue. This lip combo is killer for fall. If you like deep brown with a little bit of cherry in there, if you're not familiar with tinted lip oil, Shade Slicks, they're so good. I love Marrakesh and Taupe. Those two are great. Those are two of my favorite like go-to ones. They don't break up any pigmentation that you have laid down, like a lip pencil or a lipstick. Some tinted lip oils tend to break down the product underneath because it's an oil. These do not. This is not sponsored by Dossier, even though I work with them a lot. This has been a favorite since I got it recently. It is the Dossier Musky Aldehydes. It's probably not the most like widely desired scents. It smells like an old lady. Straight up smells like a powerful old lady. If you want to smell like a powerful old lady, which sometimes I do, especially in the fall, and you have like a sweater on and like a bold lip, very like rosy and jasmine-y. Freesia, rose, violet, jasmine, musks, and sandalwood. Inspired by Beardo's Blanche. That's a $200 fragrance. I don't know, I've never smelled that one, but this smells amazing. That is all for my current like fallish favorites. I can't wait to lean hard into the season. Let me know in the comments below what you've been loving to get yourself in the fall mood. Or maybe you hate fall. If you hate fall, what are some of your favorites during this time to be like, I can get through this? Really quick before we go, I want to thank Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. Once again, don't forget to check the description box. Click that link to shop the pieces that I talked about today. I will have all of them listed in the info box as well, so you won't miss a beat. And don't forget to get that extra 10% off with my code Mallory Brooke 10. Now I have that Daniel Bedingfield song stuck in my head. I gotta get through this. I've got to go. It's like 8:30 p.m. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.